Are you looking to start your own company, your own LLC in Arkansas? I'm going to help you. Welcome in a business guide where we are guiding you on how you can start your business successfully and how you can work in your business very effectively. So the first thing that you want to do is just scroll down below to the description on the video and click on the link. When you will do it, you'll go right here to Incfile. Incfile is an amazing company for creating your own company. That's like a good saying. And then Incfile is really effective, good customer service, and also you know that you can actually focus on building the business rather than like taking time to learning how you can create the business. What do I mean by that? Is that many business owners, what they do, they care about accounting a lot. They care about how to start a business a lot. What they should do is completely outsource it and then focus on actually developing the business. So how we can make money, how we can provide more value to people. This is something that you should actually focus on. So the first thing that you want to do is when you're in Incfile, you can go with the services and form an LLC, or you can click Start My Business. Here you're going to have the LLC and then state of formation, choose Arkansas. When you're going to be here, you're going to have three options here, like three packages. The first one is silver, then gold, then platinum. My recommendation is going with gold, and I will explain you why. With the free, you have the preparing and filling the articles, unlimited name searches, and free registered agent service for a year. You got it all in every single package, but with the gold one, you're gonna have the IRS form, operating agreement, banking resolution, online access dashboard, unlimited phone, email support, business banking account, business tax consultation. So all of these you're gonna have in the gold version. The platinum one, the main difference is that you're gonna have their expedited filling, domain name and business email, and business contract templates. If you need those, you can go also with platinum. So I'm going to choose with the gold, and then I'm going to continue. Now add here first name, last name, and phone and email. So I'll go Marcus.Elius, and I will add email tutorial gmail.com, and now I'm going to add a phone number. When you have it, you're going to scroll down below. On the right side, you're going to always see the order summary, street address, city, state, and then zip code. Okay, when we got it, I'm going to press next here. Now when I have it, I need to have a state filling time. You can go with a further like 3 weeks, or you can choose a 3 business days. Now it really depends if you need it fast or it's enough for you to wait 3 weeks. That's up to you. We go further and then we're going to add an LLC name. So you can name it, let's say I'm going to name by what is my name of the company, Sanwi. But again, you can choose your own. Then number of members, owners, I'm alone. And you need to choose also the designator, LLC, LC, limited liability company, limited company. You choose the designator and then you're going to see how it looks like. Now when you have it, you need to also choose the business purpose and write it here. So we offer marketing services and consultation for company, like this. Industry keyword is going to be marketing consultation. And then I'm going to choose the company address information here and then press next. Now when I have it, you can also choose the premium service package, upgrade for only $149 to receive these free premium services. So here you would get what I mentioned, the expedited filling service, then business contract template. So if you know that you're gonna need the documents here, And you know, like operating agreement, banking resolution, terms of service, privacy policy, non-compete agreement, employment agreement. If you need these, I would recommend getting this. That's my recommendation. And then you can have the domain name and business email address. And this is also great, is that if you need the business email address, you can go and choose this too. So now when you have it, and when you choose it, you can get upgraded bonus or non-thanks. I will pass this opportunity. So here, you're gonna have option to choose the individual or company. So you can go with the Marcus Tonelius and also choosing the name and address. Now you can choose also the company. As you know, we choose that the owner is mine, like only I. But if you were like 2 owners, you need to add the 2 owners' names and everything. And you need to also add a percentage of ownership. So when you got it, press next. Then you're gonna have the registered agent information here. And you can assign Incfile as my registered agent free for 1 year. Or you can do it by yourself. I recommend going with Incfile. Only because you're going to save time and you can actually focus your attention elsewhere, and you got it free for 1 year, so why not? And then press next. And here you can have the tax identification number information. So if I'm going to add the first name and last name, the Marcus Tonelius, and then you're going to have the identification number by which I obtained by the AIN number, and here I got it. Then you can have the physical street address here. Again, you fill it out, or you choose that we add it in the beginning. And like I add the number here. Then press next. And then what you can do is to also open new account with the Bank of America. Now I'm going to skip this, but if you want to, you can press yes, please have a Bank of America small business specialist contact me. Or just choose here, no, not at this time. Then you're gonna have the tax strategy free consultation here. So what you learn, how your LLC is taxed, and all the important information you will learn in this business tax consultation for free, and I would recommend going for it. You got it here, you got the option to have it. Then when you're gonna fill the order, Incfile is going to contact you and you would move from there. Then business license and permits. We identified 2 licenses for a consulting business Arkansas, and then you would press here yes, identify all licenses I need and send me the necessary applications. Choose that. Like have it on only because like you can do the work by yourself if you want to, but I recommend choosing the yes and then filling the street address, city, state, zip code. And when you got it, and when you press this and fill everything, then you're gonna have the review order here. Contact info, agent info, company info, member information, business tax consultation, everything, then press next. And voila, here we are. And this is where you're gonna fill the street address, cardholder first name, card number, and everything, and then you're good to go. You would press complete and pay, and you got it. So this is pretty much how it works, and this is how you can do it with Incfile. So if you can have any questions, guys, let me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some guidance. This is how you can form your own LLC in Arkansas. So thank you very much and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.